Okay, hi class. So this is a really simple little experiment which hopefully we'll be able to do sometime in school because it is one of my favorites. We're using a Bunsen burner, so of course when we're doing this we're wearing glasses. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ordinary empty can full of Nabig Lavi, unsugared, no sugar in this because I'm healthy. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at how changes in pressure can actually cause this can to crush without me doing any crushing on it. Obviously, safety wise, I'm not going to touch it because I'm going to be heating it up onto the Bunsen burner. So I'm going to use this yoke. Okay, I'm not going to use the ordinary clamps because they've got plastic or cork at the ends and that'll just melt or catch fire, which is just, it creates a horrible smell. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of water into this. I'm going to fill it till about the level of this green line, more or less. Okay, and we'll talk in the lesson about what's actually happening here. So a little bit of water in there. You can hear it slosh. You can probably see by the way it moves. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start up my Bunsen burner. Very lucky I opened my matches upside down. Lucky that nothing fell out. Remember, when we're starting a Bunsen burner, we leave the jet half covered, just half covered, and we carefully light the match. And we usually have a partner turn it on, but I'm here all alone. So, and then it lights. Got our safety flame. We want this thing to heat up quite a lot, so I'm going to go straight onto the roaring flame. Okay, remember that's the hottest. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to heat this up. You'll also notice that I'm pointing this away from myself. Okay, I'm pointing it away from myself because if anything boils, anything spurts out or whatever, then it's going to not boil and spurt it onto me. And right next to it, I've got a large container, a large beaker full of cold water. So I'm heating this up. So the water inside is heating up. Soon it's going to boil. And of course, those molecules inside are gaining energy. They're getting more and more energy. They're moving around much, much more. And so there's going to be a change in something. There's going to be a change in pressure. The pressure inside is increasing. But the top of this can is open. You can see the steam coming out already. The top of this can is open. So what that means is that pressure building up inside is just shooting molecules out. Because, you know, if you have something very high pressure, if there is an opening, then that high pressure just goes out, so the pressures equalize. You can see the end is on fire, but it's just some residues left behind. Come on, boil. So what I want to get is for this water inside to be boiling. I'm actually noticing that, oh yeah, I can feel it. The aluminium is actually getting quite a lot softer under this heat. I want to make sure it doesn't melt. That'd be very annoying for the purpose of this experiment. So I'm just going to stand back a little bit and hope that my phone doesn't get swamped by boiling water. That'd be very annoying. You might be able to hear it, the water inside starting to boil. Yeah, it's shaking quite a lot. I'm just going to rotate this slightly and hopefully not burn the table. Yeah, so the water's boiling fairly rapidly. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this face first into the cold water, and hopefully you will see a change due to that change in pressure. And again, hopefully I'm not going to pour boiling water all over this. That'll be slightly annoying, especially if it goes over my mask. Okay, boiling really well, and we put it in, and yes! Look at that! Oh, that's great, that's never gone so well. Look at that can. Crushed like a bug on the windscreen. Nice. So in the lesson, yes. In the lesson, we'll talk about what happened there. Turn off the Bunsen burner. Bye. Bye.